Okay, class 7, day 15, video 2, page 42. ing and ed participles as adjectives. The ing and the ed participles can be used as adjectives to describe or modify the noun. These participles are usually placed before the noun and are therefore known as pre-modifiers. Example: infinitive or base, heat or shout. ing participle heating, shouting. Ed heated, shouted. ing participle ing participle used as an adjective. The shouting children were disturbing the students in the examination hall. Or ed participle used as an adjective. The heated room became uncomfortably warm. Okay, now page 43. Participles as pre-modifiers. In the gaps in the following sentence, you are given the infinitive or base verb in the bracket before a noun. Change the base verb into a pre-modifier adjective by using the appropriate ing or ed participle. The sentence refer to the text A Christmas Story. For example, amazed we watched a wave flag. Answer is amazed we watched the waving flag. According to this sentence, do these on your book. Write ed or ing. Okay, after that the diary is page 44 and 45 is your HW. Do reading of these two pages. Reading is HW. Okay, do reading of these two pages, and this is also your HW. Match the words from the text in the left hand column to their definition in the right hand column. Use dictionary, find out the meanings of these words, and then you can do this, match the column easily. This is your HW.